Hey, Danny, I'd love to tell you about anomalous verbs. Okay, no problem. Anomalous verbs are have, has, and had. Uses. Have is used for first person, second person, and plural subject. Examples are, I have a pair of shoes. You have a pair of shoes. We have pairs of shoes. They have pair of shoes. Has. Examples are, Barry has a pen. Kenny has a pen. The goat has a short tail.
Had is used for first, second and third person singular and plural in the past tense. If you are yet to understand the uses, have and has, go over the examples again. Had is also used in conditional statements. For example, if I had known that it would rain, I would have brought along my raincoat. Meaning, I failed to bring my raincoat and I was drenched in rain torrent. Other examples are, if Bayo had prepared for the examination, he would have passed. Meaning, Bayo failed his examination because he did not prepare for it. If I had known that Michelle is my cousin, I would have helped her. Meaning, I did not help Rebecca because I did not know that she's my cousin. Again, has, have, and had are used with been and ing form of verbs or lexical verbs. In the perfect tenses as present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense.
Oh, thanks for the lecture. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share.